Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get into my 3 favorite fruit smoothies, make sure you click subscribe below and turn on the post notifications so that you'll always be one of the first to check out my videos. I'm gonna just go right in and start with my absolute favorite. So my favorite, we're going to use some banana, get some pineapple in here, and some apple. And then I still like to clean it, rinse it off again. You know, just fill up the cup with some water, rinse it out, do it again. Next, we're going to use some pineapple, some blackberries, apples, a little bit of banana. I like to usually fill it up around like halfway, a little bit above halfway, depending on how much fruit I actually have in my mixture. I'll pour this one in this glass. Okay. Now we're going to mix some more pineapple, carrots, apple. I'm gonna rinse these out first before I pour the orange juice. The orange, I just literally squeeze the juice. So we're gonna rinse these off first, add some water, and then put the orange juice. That's enough water. And you just do like this. Make sure it's a good amount. And let's mix this one up. Okay, so the first one we're going to try, this was the apple, pineapple, and banana. This tastes like a banana now later. Remember those candies, the now laters? It tastes like a banana flavored now later. Yeah, this one is really good. Now we're going to try the one where I added the blackberry, see what it tastes like. I would say it tastes like, all I taste is the blackberries. I don't even taste anything else that I added in here, but it's so delicious. All right, and now the last one. Again, this was carrot, pineapple, apple, banana, and orange juice. This tastes so fresh. This tastes like if you need something to give you a boost of energy in the morning, I would definitely try this one first. This gives you like a jolt of energy. The reason why these are my 3 favorite fruit smoothies is because they are filled with vitamins and minerals that make you beautiful. They're packed with vitamin A, which restores moisture and repairs dry skin. Then you have vitamin B, which combats acne and relieves stress. Then you have vitamin C, which brightens the skin, removes dark spots, improves the quality and the texture of your skin. I think that everybody should include at least 1 fruit smoothie, maybe 2 to 3 times a week. Hit me up in 2 weeks and tell me and show me a picture, and I bet you look like a little bit different in a good way. So I would love to hear from you guys. Let me know which one is your favorite if you try one, or if you don't, if you have one that you think I should try, leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video and stay tuned for the next one.